As the air gets cooler in much of the US, many drivers will put off vehicle maintenance, but that presents an opportunity for you to step in. We'll tell you how next. Winter means different things in different parts of the country. Regardless, the change of seasons gives you the ideal opportunity to talk with your customers about the ever-present need for winter inspections. First, start with a recommendation to find, open, and read their vehicle owner's manual. Then, combine those general service recommendations with your shop's own maintenance guidelines. Regular automotive maintenance is often ignored, especially during the winter time. According to the Car Care Council, 25% of cars had low or dirty engine oil, 18% had dirty air filters or needed new belts, and 17% had inadequate cooling protection or low coolant levels. More than a third of the American population said just the thought of winter driving is stressful, according to an Allstate insurance survey. As their local tire dealer and automotive service professional, you have the power to offer services that will assure that their vehicle is in tip-top shape for whatever Mother Nature throws at them. Not only that, but helping customers stay on top of preventative maintenance, especially during the winter, will pay dividends for your shop in more ways than one. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.